Tiffany and I, we came up with, we didn't really have the what's missing part. We kind of connected initially with.
So she basically, when you offered a new metaphor, she said yes to it?
Correct.
So you just explored the relationship?
No, the other way around. I said yes to her.
So she said you were the client and you said yes to her because it fit, right. And then you just explored the relationship of how it fit, right?
Right, but what we were maybe a little confused on was how the problem metaphor, which for me was a brick wall,
yeah,
not being able to connect with
people,
absolutely, and the solution metaphor, the outcome, was a bridge.
Was a bridge. Wonderful. Bridge. So, but what's the relationship between a bridge and a brick wall?
Right.
That's the question I'm asking you.
Okay, so what I came up with was they're both structures that are built.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
But they contrast each other.
So you've given me something that they have in common, but that's not what I'm asking you. What is the relationship between a bridge and a brick wall? See, now you're getting it.
One's a solution to a problem.
That's focusing on one. So what's the relationship between bridge and brick wall?
I'm drawing a blank.
Yes, you are. So really consider it. You have a brick wall. You're aware of what that is like. Where is the brick wall, by the way? When you consider it in relation to your problem, where's your brick wall?
Between myself and another person.
Do you see where it is? This is going back to the gestures someone asked earlier on. It's kind of right over there, yeah? Where's the bridge?
The bridge is where we meet.
So the bridge is more to the side. So you're suggesting...
Separate place, yes.
It's a separate place. So are you suggesting the relationship between the bridge and the brick wall is that you walk around the wall so you can use the bridge to cross? Is that what you're saying?
No.
What's missing?
The bridge is a divide, that's separating.
So the bridge was the outcome, is that right? How is the bridge like the outcome?
The bridge is the problem.
Oh, and the brick wall is the solution?
Excuse me. No. The bridge is the outcome.
Say again?
The bridge is the outcome.
So the bridge is the outcome, right?
Correct.
So how is the bridge like the outcome?
Oh, how is the bridge like the outcome?
Yeah.
Well, we meet to a just resolution that's comfortable for both parties.
And so how does a bridge mean that you're having a resolution for both parties?
I'm sorry?
How is a bridge like two parties coming to a resolution?
Because it's an avenue for that to happen as opposed to the brick wall. It's unable to happen.
Right. So how is walking past the brick wall till you find a bridge so you can connect? Does that work?
Well, it works the way you put it. That's not the way I envisioned it.
That's right. That's why you had the problem. Right?
I suppose so, yeah.
So try it out for size. If you were to walk past the wall until you found a bridge, how does that feel? And go over the bridge, exactly.
Or over the wall.
Or the bridge goes over the wall, right?
No.
Go over the wall.
I'm envisioning.
Oh, I see. Or you can go over the wall to find the bridge. So got it now. Got it.
The wall goes.
Got it. So you're suggesting then that it's best to climb the wall to find the bridge so that you can connect. Is that what you're saying?
Well, that's what you said, but I can see your point about how they.
So then now, in this context, you help me out. What is the relationship between bridge and wall?
Well, as you just put it, I mean, that's one way to put it. You go over the wall or around the wall to get to a bridge where you can meet.
Yeah.
Or to a place where you can meet.
Yeah. Does it fit?
Sure.
Do you like it?
I like it.
There you go. You're done.
Okay.
So, does that answer your question? Or are you still confused?
Yes. No, that does answer the question.
Thank you. So that's the point of the exercise. You see, and by the way, give me a round of applause. This is an excellent demonstration. Do you see how I'm actually giving him advice in metaphor? Right? Yeah. Now, do I have any idea how that translates into actual practice? No. But he's already thinking of some ways, right? Yeah. So already this resolution is beginning to occur. Now, tomorrow, of course, we'll look at how do we train, how do we grow the seed metaphor of a wall and a bridge and the relationship which is either around, although you said it was a very long wall, so that might be one story might be someone being willing to hike until they find the opening to find the bridge. Another story might be about someone being inventive enough to climb the wall because they don't care about the wall, they just want to cross the bridge. And they don't feel like walking all the way around it, so they always well climb over it. Right? Either way, look at how he's nodding. Isn't this like satisfying?
Yeah, it is.
Right? That's the point. But I don't have to fix his problem anymore. But notice also how confused he was at first. That is the confusion that keeps him in the problem. Because every time he tries to think out of the problem, it loops him back in. You saw it happening metaphorically, didn't you? Yes. And by getting him, and this is the power of the relationship question, by the way. By getting the relationship between the problem and the outcome, he's telling me how to solve the problem. Right? And in your case, I think the preference is to make the effort to climb, because it may be more effort in the short term, but in the long term, it's the quicker path. Did we just get another metaphor? Do you see where we're going with this? So thank you so much. That was a wonderful question.